Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun class. Quick question: has everyone ever spent hours typing a project only to realize all your headings look like they are fighting each other? One is blue, one is green, one is huge, one is tiny. Total chaos. By the end of today, you will never have the problem again. Today, we learn styles. Basically, a magic shortcut in LibreOffice Writer that makes any document look professional in seconds. Trust me, this is one chapter you will actually use in real life for your school projects, college essays, even your first job application. Let's go. Look at the screen. Two documents, same contents, same words. One look like your friend's WhatsApp at 2 a.m., random caps, weird fonts, sizes all over the place. The other looks like something a real company would print. Which one would your teacher give better marks to? Obvious, right. The difference is not talent or hard work. It's just one thing style. The good news, you can learn this in 40 minutes. The bad news, once you learn it, you will judge every messy documents you see. Sorry in advance. Quick preview of what we will learn. By end, you will know actually what a style is. The five different of styles in writer, three different ways of to learn apply them, how to create your very own style, how to fix all your headings in one click, and where the same concept is used in apps you already use: Google Docs, Notion, even Canva. Don't worry if it sounds like a lot, we will take it step by step. Ready? Let's start. So, what exactly is a style? Simple answer: a style is a saved set of formatting. Imagine you decide every heading in your project should be Cambria, 20 point, bold, dark purple. Normally, you would have to set all four things every single time. With a style, you save all four settings into one button called Heading 1. Click it, done. Cambria 20 point, bold, purple, all at once. That's it. That's the whole concept. Everything else today is just details about this one idea. Look at the two documents on screen, same paragraph, same words, left side manually formatted. The students try to make each heading look nice, but every heading is different. Right side style, every heading is the same exact same style. Every body paragraph the exact same style. Spot the difference. The right side one looks like a textbook. The left look like, well, homework done in a hurry. The right one took 30 seconds, the left took 30 minutes. That's the power of styles. Three real life analogies to lock this concept in your head. One, school uniform. Imagine if every student wore random clothes. Total mess. Uniform, everyone consistent, looks professional. Same with styles. Two, a recipe. A recipe save the exact steps so your mom can make the same biryani every Sunday without thinking. A style is a recipe for formatting. Three, Instagram filter. You do not manually adjust brightness, contrast, saturation every time. You just tap a filter. Styles are filter for documents. Five big advantages of using styles. Let's talk about why we use styles. Five big reasons. One, consistency. Every heading looks the same automatically. Number two, speed. Format 10 paragraph in 10 clicks instead of 10 minutes. Number three, easy changes. Do not like the heading color. Change the style once every heading in the document update instantly. Magic. 4. Professional look. Your project starts looking like a published book. 5. Reusable. Save your style, used it in next year project too. That's why every serious writer in the world uses styles. Meet F11, the styles window. Meet your new best friend, the styles window. To open it, just press F11. Yes, just one key. F1 toggles it on and off. Look at the screenshot. There is a sideboard that pops up with a list of all available styles. At the top, you will see six little icons. Those are the categories: paragraph, character, frame, page, list, table. We will learn each one in the next few slides. Pro tip: memorize this. F11 is the most important shortcut in this whole chapter. F11 for formatting. Five types of styles. Writer gives the main five main types of styles plus one bonus. Paragraph styles works on whole paragraph like headings and body text. Character styles works on selected letters or words like making one word bold. Page styles control the whole page, margins, orientation, headers. Styles are for numbered and bulleted list. Frame styles handle text boxes and image frames. And the bonus, table styles for tables. Don't worry about memorizing the difference right now. We will see each one with an example next. Paragraph style. Paragraph style, the most used type, hands down. When you apply a paragraph style, it affects the entire paragraph, even if you only have your cursor sitting in the middle. The famous examples: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, default paragraph style, quotations, title. To apply one, just click anywhere in a paragraph and double click the style. Boom, the whole paragraph instantly take the new look using heading 1 for chapter names, heading 2 for sections, heading 3 for subsections. Think of it like a building hierarchy. Character styles. Character styles are different. They work only on the letters or words you select. Want to make just one word bold red without affecting the rest of the paragraph? Select that word, apply a character style. Common example: emphasis for italic, strong emphasis for bold, interlinked link for blue underlined links. Quick rule to remember: if you want to format the whole paragraph, use paragraph style. If you want to format a part of a paragraph, use character style. Paragraph style, when in conflict, it both apply. Page style. Page style controls the look of the entire page. We are taking the margins, page size, portrait or landscape, headers and footers. Real examples: your first page might use a title page style with no header. Your body pages use default page style with normal margins. If you need one page in landscape for a wide table, you apply the landscape page style just to the page. Cool, right? You have completely different page layouts in the same document just by switching page styles. List style. List style handle bullets and numbering. Without a list style, your bullets might be dots on one list and circles on another. Sizes might vary, intention might be inconsistent. With a list style, all your bulleted lists look identical, all your numbered lists look identical. Common examples: bullet list, number list, list number 1, 2, 3 for nested list. Usually, you do not apply list styles directly. You apply a paragraph style that has a style built into it. Easier. Frame styles. Frame styles handle frames, those boxes can put around texts or images. When you insert an image, it sits inside an invisible frame. Frame style control that frame's border with padding, wrap settings like does not text flow around the image or above and below. Common frame styles formula marginalia OLE graphics. You won't use this as often as paragraph and character styles, but they are super useful when designing magazine styles, layout, or fancy reports. Three ways to apply any style. Method 1, the style window. Press F11, find the style you want, double click it. Method 2, the drop down box. On the top toolbar, there is a small box that shows the current style. Click the arrow, pick a new one. Method 3, keyboard shortcut. Control plus 1 for heading 1, Control plus 2 for heading 2, all the way Control plus 5. Control plus 0 gives you default paragraph style. Once you memorize these shortcuts, you will feel like a wizard. Paint roller trick. Now here is a really cool trick, fill format mode. Think of it as a paint roller for styles. Open the styles window, click any style. Once you click it, selected it. Then click the little paint bucket icon at the top of the panel. Now your mouse turns into a paint roller. Click any paragraph. Bam, that style is applied. Click another, bam, applied. Click 10 paragraph, 10 styles applied. Press escape when you are done. This is the fastest way to format a long, messy document. Try it once and you will never go back. Your own custom style. What if done? None of the built in styles match what you want. Easy, create your own. Four simple steps. Step 1, format some text exactly the way you like. Font, size, color, space, everything. Step 2, with cursor in the paragraph. Open the styles window. Step 3, click the small Styles action button and choose New Style from selection. Step 4, give it a clear name, something like My Project Heading, and click OK. Your new style is born. Use it anywhere in your document, just like the built in ones. The real superpower modifying a style. Now, the real superpower modifying a style. Suppose you have already used a heading 1 on 20 headings, but now you want them all to be green instead of blue. Don't panic, don't change each one. Just right click heading 1 in the styles window, choose modify. Change the color to green. Click OK. All 20 headings update instantly. This is why we use styles. Imagine doing this manually in a 100-page document would take you an hour. With styles, 5 seconds. That's it. Why professionals never live without styles. Borrow styles from another document. Sometimes you have made beautiful styles in one document and want to use them in another. No need to recreate everything. Open the new document, go to the styles menu, choose load styles from template, a pop-up box, click from file. Browse to your old document, pick the categories you want, paragraph, page, etc. Click OK. All those styles are now copied into your new document. Same trick works to use styles from office templates. Once your school could give you a template and your project will magically match school standards. Deleting a custom style. What if you create a style you don't like anymore? Easy, delete it. Right click your custom style in the styles window, choose delete, confirm, gone. But, and this is important, you can only delete custom styles that you created. The built-in ones, like heading 1 default paragraph styles, you can't delete those. Writer protects them so you do not accidentally break the program. Think of it like you can throw away your old toys, but you cannot throw any away your school furniture's. Same idea, same concept everywhere. Now, here something cool. The same concept of styles is used in almost every modern writing app. Google Documents as heading 1, heading 2, normal text, the same idea. Microsoft Word, same notion, uses blocks with style. Same Canva as preset text styles, same. Even Instagram captions and reels have same style presets. Now, once you understand styles in LibreOffice Writer, you have actually learned a skill that works everywhere. That's why this chapter is gold. Don't skip it during revision. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about common mistakes that students make. 1. Manually formatting instead of using styles. You will regret this one, you need to change something later. 2. Creating too many custom styles. 5 to 10 is enough, don't make 20. 3. Naming styles like style 1, style 2. Use clear names like project title or footnote text. 4. Forgetting that paragraph styles affect the whole paragraph, not just selected text. Avoid these four mistakes and you are already ahead of most students. Say smart tricks to remember. Quick memory tricks for the exam. To remember this, five style types: PCPLF, pretty cats play like friends. Paragraph, character, page, list, frame. To remember F11 open styles, F11 for F for formatting. Control plus 0 to control plus 5. 0 is default paragraph, 1 is heading 1, and so on. Right click, modify is the secret to updating all instances at once. Fill formatting mode is the paint roller. These 5 tricks alone will get you most of the marks for this chapter. Mini activity. Time for a mini activity. Imagine the document on screen is your unformatted school project. Your job, apply styles to make it look professional. Task 1, apply heading 1 to the main title at the top. Task 2, apply heading 2 to each section heading. Task 3, apply default paragraph styles to all body paragraph. Task 4 bonus, make one important word stand out using a character style. Try this in your computer lab today. Practice makes perfect, especially with styles. Important exam questions. Here, set of important questions in CBSE exam format. 1 mark. Define style in LibreOffice Writer. 2 marks. List any two advantages of using styles. Name any four types of styles in Writer. 3 marks, explain how to create your own style, custom style. 3 marks, differentiate between paragraph and character styles. Assertion, reason style, assertion. F11, the styles window. Reason, F11 is a universal shortcut for formatting in all software. Identify it both are true. Assertion, true. Reason, false. F11 only works for styles in writer specifically. Quick MCQ quiz. Self check. Let's do 5 MCQ quick questions. Question 1. Which key opens the styles window? F1, F5, F11 or F12? Answer, F11. Question 2. Paragraph style affects. Selected text, whole paragraph, whole page, whole document. Answer whole paragraph. Question 3. Which menu loads style from another document? Insert, format, styles, tools. Answer styles. Question 4. Control plus 0 applies which style? Default paragraph, heading 1, heading 2, title. Answer default paragraph. Question 5. Fill format mode is also called paint roller, format painter, style pen, quick style. Answer paint roller. If you got 4 out of 5, excellent. 5 out of 5, you are already ready for the exam. Today's recap. Quick self check. Can you explain what is a style in one sentence? Can you name all 5 types? Can you press F11 and identify the styles window? Can you create your custom style? Can you modify a style and watch all instance updates? Can you apply a style using keyboard shortcuts? If you said yes to all 6, congratulations. You are mastered this chapter. If anyone feels shaky, go back to the slide and review. 5 minutes for revision tonight is enough. You have got this. Let's me leave you with a thought. Bad formatting screams, good formatting is invisible. When you read a textbook and never notice the formatting, that's brilliant styling at work. When you read a project and your eyes starts hurting, that's no styling at work. The word does not reward effort, it's reward results. Spend 10 minutes learning styles, saving your hours on every project for the rest of your life. That's the deal. Now go out there and make beautiful documents. Thank you so much.